In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new accounts on Ctrader. If you're setting up an additional profile for a new strategy or simply organizing your trading, this walkthrough will take you from the platform home screen to a brand new account in just a few moments. First, go to Ctrader. You can open the web platform in your browser or launch the desktop app, whichever you use regularly. Make sure you're on the official Ctrader platform and that your internet connection is stable, so your changes save smoothly. If the app prompts for an update, let it finish before continuing. That helps prevent interface glitches while you create the account. Next, log into your Ctrader ID and select Start Trading. After signing in, you'll land on the main workspace. Click Start Trading to open the trading environment where account management is available. If you're already signed in from a previous session, you may see this button right away at the top. The goal is simply to enter the trading area where your broker list and accounts are visible. Now, select Fusion Markets. Ctrader connects to multiple brokers, so choosing the correct one is important, especially if you manage accounts with different providers. Use the broker list or the search bar to locate Fusion Markets. Selecting it ensures the new account will be created under the right broker, with the correct trading conditions and instruments. With the broker selected, click New Account at the top right corner. This button may appear as text or a plus icon depending on your screen size. If you don't see it immediately, expand the window or look to the upper right area of the account panel. Clicking it opens the account creation form. Enter the needed information and click Create Account. The form typically includes fields like account type, base currency, leverage, and an optional nickname. Choose values that match your trading plan and risk tolerance. Double-check the broker and server selection, read any notices, and confirm you understand the terms. When everything looks correct, click Create Account. Ctrader will add the new account to your list, and you'll see it appear in the Accounts panel, ready to use. If the list is long, scroll or use search to find it quickly. That's it. You've navigated to Ctrader, signed in, picked Fusion Markets, used the New Account button, and completed the short form. Save these steps for the next time you want to spin up a fresh account for testing or a new strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.